Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's get started. Alright, so there are a few different color variants of the Galaxy Note 9. The first one is black with a black pen. Then there is a blue variant with a yellow pen and a lavender, like a light purple variant with a purple pen. In Canada, we have those three options. There's also a copper one that we do not have. So in this package, you can see it contains the Galaxy Note 9. It contains the S Pen, a wall USB charger, a stereo headset, USB connector, quick start guide. Now it is in a protective sleeve. Once you remove the protective sleeve, it's much like the Galaxy 9 and 9S Plus. It is in this container here. Now my cat does keep getting in the way after I've tried numerous times to get her out of the way, so she'll just be in the shot from here and there. I apologize. Anyways, the first thing to pull out is the pin, which allows you to access your microSD slot as well as the SIM card. It's in one slot at the top of the phone. Also hidden in here, there is a quick start guide. There's also some warranty information. So the quick start guide is in English and French. How to transfer content to your new Galaxy phone in English and French, as this is Canada. And as I was saying before, the enhanced protection plan, so kind of like the warranty stuff. Now the phone does have a handy little tab on it to take it out of the package. I'm not going to show the back of the phone as the IMEI number is in there, and I don't want to show that to everyone just for security purposes for myself. Anyways, on the side there is the volume rockers, and the Bixby button on the other side, on the right side of the phone, is the power button. And on the bottom we have the headphone jack, the USB-C port, as well as the stereo speaker, and also the S Pen. So the S Pen, it's just a little button that you push in and then you can pull the pen out. This one is the black on black version, so it has the black phone with the black pen. And on the back of the phone, you can see the two cameras here. On the Galaxy S9 Plus, the cameras are stacked vertically, where these are laid across horizontally, and underneath you can see the fingerprint sensor. Now moving the phone out of the way, there is a piece of cardboard to move, and you get access to the rest of the box. So here is the quick charger. It's a 5-volt 2.0 amp charger. There is also the USB adapter. This is to plug into your phone. On the other end, you can plug into another Samsung device for the quick transfer. Undoing this flap here, there's something that's not in the S9 Plus box, and I'll get to that in a second. The first thing I'm going to pull out is the USB-C cable. Now this is just a standard USB-C cable. I wouldn't really recommend using this as your only cable. And I'm saying that because this cable is very thin and, in my opinion, not the highest quality. It's a bit of a letdown considering the phone costs so much, but I would recommend a very quality third-party cable instead, or just in addition. Now, the headphones, on the other hand, they are nice quality. It's a braided cable, and it's braided all the way up to where the headphones split. As you can see here, the headphones are nice. It's just a regular cable. It does have the microphone input, and it does turn into a nice braided cable right here, where the headphones join together from two cables into one. So it's braided all the way down to the end, and the end isn't gold tipped, but again, it's braided and it is nice quality. I would have liked to see a gold tip here, but you know, it is what it is. So here is the item that is not in the Galaxy 9 or 9 Plus box. And this item here, I'll open it up, is for the S Pen. So this is a little tool with two different tips for the S Pen. And that's to change them out. So here are the two additional tips that come with the S Pen, as well as the removal tool so you don't damage the S Pen or the tips in the process. And you can see the custom cutouts for the removal of the tip. And the last item in the box here Has to do with the headphones as well. They are additional earbud tips, I guess you could call them, for the headphones themselves. So in the box you can see there's headphones. There are additional headphone tips for different sizes. There is the S Pen removal tool as well as different S Pen tips. There is the USB-C cable, the USB-C connector to transfer data from one cell phone to another, the quick charger right here, some instruction manuals as well as the ejector pin, and the additional extended support, as well as the Note 9. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. If you liked my video, leave a like. If you didn't like my video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. I will be doing a comparison video between the S9 Plus and the Note 9 very shortly. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. Thank you, everyone. Take care.